All right, Team 10 is looking into stunning allegations of possible financial fraud that are now sparking a special audit at the Sweetwater School District.
Investigative reporter Jennifer Kastner spoke to the county's Office of Education about this bombshell development over a potential cover-up. Jen?
Kimberly, exactly. The county told me that by tomorrow they plan to formally ask the state to do what's called an extraordinary audit to see if there was any financial fraud or abuse within the school district.
Your problem is huge. You cannot kick this can down the road.
Sounding an alarm, now launching a major investigation. Today, the San Diego County's Office of Education says it's going to the state to ask for a special audit into the broke and embattled Sweetwater Union High School District. It's now scrambling to fix its disastrous multi-million-dollar budget shortfall.
You're gonna wish I never came.
Stunning new details were revealed at Monday night's board meeting when state officials released this damaging initial audit report. In summary, the school district is believed to have misrepresented its finances. Budget revisions totaling millions of dollars include negative budget entries that lack sufficient supporting documentation. One state official implied this could be a cover-up. Other problems found: the payroll wasn't booked for months, and there are accusations of cash borrowed irresponsibly with no apparent ability to repay the debt soon. To save money, this week the district greenlighted the early retirement of hundreds of employees. It's currently $36 million short, and the state projects that figure will more than double by the end of the school year. So it's unknown how long that special audit could take. If fraud is discovered, there could be criminal charges and the state could be forced to take over the district. In the studio, Jennifer Kastner, 10 News.